This one they happen for inside Imo State, the place where they call Futo and the Futo Junction side. Now where this thing they happen for inside Imo State, how they find 4 people where they don't buy these people self, you no go recognize them again for inside bush. Nobody know who buy them. For where this thing they happen for Imo State. My people, no be small thing, no. As that one they happen, they say that the former tennis champion, table tennis, not those women where they play long table tennis. They say one of those women where they help Nigeria play that thing. They say this woman now they homeless, so for inside Nigeria as we they talk right now. Now that's what they talk. Say once you don't serve Nigeria finish, go pray, because if you go end the way you go to end, if you no good. But however, we will go check how this thing they happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today on the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here, they bring you updates back to back as it hot. My people, this one they happen for inside Imo State. Now be the matter we will get for our table today. We will show you for this video. May you hear how hunters detect 4 people for inside bush. We be say they don't buy them, and these people self not only their clothes if you see there, because their body self some things where they waka don't use and do food. See what thing they happen for inside Imo State. See wetin dey happen for inside Igbo land. See wetin the one wey happen for Aba. 20 people will never talk and finish, and more are happening. You see these funerals wey dey inside bush, wetin they do for our land, you no go believe am. Let's watch the video and hear wetin they talk for this video. Hear wetin they talk, because this video will go cover am in a way wey no go cause us trouble. Just watch the video and listen. Make sure say you share this video as they watch and finish.
These are the people that
from Imo State.
These are the people that they keep bush, were inside the bush linking opposite Futo, and then Avo, the bush linking Futo and Avo, and Ihiagwa. This is a skull, and look at her slippers here. They have killed. There's another man here. This one is
another person again. If you know any canoma, a decay, decay, no. Mama, we bought these things are like this. Just take a look at them, mother. Just take a look at.
Discovered by Nigerian Hunters and Forest Security Services inside the bush linking Futo, Avo, and Ihiagwa. That's where we are right now. Officers are right here. Look at the slippers of the people. These are not. What is all this? It to this tree where they have decomposed. Look at the slippers. Look at the slippers. Look at this one now. Look at this person. Look at this person. Oh God, help us in Imo State. Help us. There's another
one again. I'll go for you go see again. Just take a look at another one, making it 4. Imagine.
This one has decayed so much that you can't even know who the person is. So look at up to 4
or 5 of them. No, ndị na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ. Ha tọrọ onye ahụ. Ụfọdụ akwụkwọ ahụ ego ha ka wee gbukwa onye ahụ. Wifuge ụfọdụ ọwụ na ndị be ha kwụtara ego ha gbuo onye ahụ. Ndị ntọrọ n'ala Igbo. N'enu ma shoe ha akwe na afịa. Kwụ na afịa. Just imagine.
So we have been searching this bush. And we're able to get these dead bodies. We're able to get them. They're up to 5. Some of them you can't even the camera cannot capture them any longer. May God help Imo State. May God.
Na nke a jikwa ma hụ eziokwu ụmụ mmadụ bụ ihe ọkwa mpa mmadụ nwanne mmadụ ọma mmadụ.
My people, things are really happening. Things they happen. Share this video. And this now waiting they happen for inside Imo State, the place where Hope Uzodinma be the governor. Does that mean the security are not, if not be these hunter people now, we go find this thing. These people for dead there for years. Their people go to wait the day where they go come back. Their people go to wait the day where they go say, oh, my children don't come. Oh. They don't know say those ones don't become another thing for inside bush. But however, let's go and watch this lady will be the former tennis champion for Nigeria. The correct things where he seeing himself now. Watch this video with me before we come back and continue.
I mean, what's up to hear my story? The whole world hears it, and they laugh at me.
Why are they laughing at you?
I don't know, but they say on your chabia and legal. You think you know, go back to your country. So I mean,
who said that? Who said that to you?
No, I'm just tired. I'm okay. I'm okay even though I'm a half caste and I consider myself a black people. But that's okay.
But you are though.
Okay, but you may be 1 out of 500 people that say that to me. You might be surprised. I'm going to the village tomorrow to look after my daughter until further notice.
So who's
I'm standing
so
here.
I have like up to 5.
Because my back is hurting me. I don't know. I think somebody must.
Do you prefer to stand over here?
I mean, I don't really like.
Because I don't want to bend
so
in. I'm bending my neck in order to see you.
I'm also leaning on your chair because I'm a little exhausted.
If you could stand over there, that would be easier.
Do you mind if I sit on the ground?
It's up to you. It's up to you where you want to sit. I can't advise you where to sit.
Okay, so that's it. I'm not asking for much, just a little bit of help. Even if it's just to get water, but I would prefer something like a Sprite.
We can get you a Sprite.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Oh, and I have to now. I just ate 4 puff-puff.
Are you
I was a former lawn tennis champion for Nigeria. I don't know if you're familiar with me, Tanya Opala.
Tanya.
And Jacqueline Okwezi. During those times, I played tennis for Nigeria and Africa.
Your mom is from Belarus?
Yes.
You don't buy Sprite? You don't want a Sprite? But you get a Sprite na kenda.
Yeah, I played lawn tennis for Nigeria.
Are you using any recreational, drugs?
I'm not gonna answer that. I have no comment for that.
Okay, that's fine. You have the right to.
I don't know why people always ask such a question. I think that's one of the. Sorry to say, but I think if somebody is very mentally sick,
yes,
I don't think it's my business how the person is taking care of his or her life. I'm not in, but I know that all I ask is I hope you're okay and I hope you get better.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I hope that you get better, but I just want to see.
I don't know, I don't care. I've been labeled a prostitute. I've even been labeled the prostitute of the whole world. Also, another one of my names is that, here is that Abu Monyara. I did not realize Nigeria has progressed so much that I happen to be the stupidest person and the ugliest and stupid in the whole country.
E get one word wey Nnamdi Kanu talk say anybody wey serve Nigeria finish will come back home in shame. Things wey dey happen sometimes I can't dey reason. If you be governor, once you don't come down, EFCC go follow you, government go follow you. Before you know it, they go to frame you up. Before you know it, if your mouth no strong, if you no come back, then if you come be police, you resign. Either the people where you arrest those days go come in form of a non-government, come buy the people, come buy the policeman. Things they happen. Nigeria is so funny. So how come they think that thing? See footballers, see Nollywood actors where they make people happy, especially footballers like one go picker. wey keep for Nigeria years back. See how that man dey beg for food. My God, na people wey serve Nigeria. But however, wetin we go do? We go still bring you the update. May you still put mouth and leave your own opinion. Tell me, are you going to serve Nigeria or are you going to serve in Biafra land? Let us know for inside comment section. My people, share this video so that people go know wetin dey happen for inside Owerri. Very, very important. Share this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update.